What's the meaning of better? Better. Better.
Better. Better. The word better is a comparative adjective used to express a higher degree of quality, excellence, or superiority in comparison to something else. It implies an improvement or advancement in the state or condition of a person, thing, or situation. The concept of better is subjective, as what is considered better by one person might not be seen as such by another. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to improve the quality or condition of something. Betterment is a process that involves taking actions or making changes aimed at achieving progress or enhancement in various aspects of life. Ultimately, the word better inspires us to strive for improvement and growth.